The European consumer smartphone of the year 2013-2014 is the Huawei Ascend P6. Slim and beautiful, the Ascend P6 is one of the thinnest smartphones on the market with a depth of just 6.18 millimeters, while it weighs in at only 120 grams. The 8-megapixel rear-facing camera has an autofocus function and records videos with full HD resolution, while the 5-megapixel front camera is well suited for self-portraits. The Ascend P6 runs Android 4.2 and uses Huawei's user interface called Emotion UI, which, among other things, offers panoramic shoot and facial recognition photography functions. In total, the Ascend P6 is a surprisingly well-equipped smartphone at a very attractive price. For these reasons, it has won the ICER award.